put a stone here so that they can come out. This is my toothbrush for today. We are in Moya stopover, Kirinyaga County. Good morning from Meru County. This is my toothbrush for today. I am out of the house because my auntie makes a lot of noise in the morning. Being a Sunday. Anyhow, let me pause and get to the other side because of music. Arise and shine. There are only two here, and then the rest in this house. But here there are only two. So I'm supposed to open this door and put a stone here so that they can come out and go in as they go. Piganeni. So I don't know whether my Ushago auntie knows that the kind of noise she makes in the morning. It's not acceptable. So I have to do this. It's really not acceptable. These ones have not woken up. I don't want to wake them up. But I want to go and show you. I just left the house because of the noise and now the volume is going up. Sunday morning. I don't know what time is it. Sasa nakuja kuzorora. So that is Matthias. He's the caretaker of my grandfather. So I have never seen such a skinny, my whole life, I've never seen a skinny pig. Any a pig that is so skinny. Adi unayurumia uko like kwani ukulangi brother, as in, don't you ever eat? I wanna sit here this early morning. This is the thing about me. You wanna show me that you're in your house? Ndakuonesha yenyewe ukweli uko kwa nyumba yako. If you ever try to control your house, to control the environment because, or to control me because it's your house, yenyewe nitakuonesha ukweli ni nyumba yako. Because I can hear that music from here. I can't even do this vlog. How? It's about 6:30 in the morning. Me, I can't live like that. Umenionyesha nyumba yako, nakuachia nyumba yako. That's something I ask you. Nani ameamsha kila mtu? She woke up my cousin. Hey, amka uende kanisa. Kanisa tuwezi kuwa tukienda tumechelewa all the time. My cousin just turned around, took the blanket na kuongeza blanketi. Let me go to the other side and show you the pig because my phone is getting full. Staki zimike kabla sijakuonyesha the pig that is so skinny. I've never seen such a skinny pig. So Matthias is a very good caretaker. He takes care of the homestead. He takes care of our grandfather, but he just doesn't take care of this pig for some reason. So we do not know why he doesn't care about this pig. Maybe it's because my uncle who lives in Mombasa has not sent food or money for food for the pig. They usually buy. But atakama, see, the other things that a pig can eat. This is the skinniest pig alive. This is Jayona Nguruwe Konda. It is so skinny and long. It's like long like this, but so skinny. Look at him. Look at her. She's a she, and she has two babies. They're also very skinny. I don't know. One thing I know about my uncle in Mombasa, he makes a lot of noise. Anateta sana. So nikimuonesha hawa nguruwe wa chakula, he might put Matthias in trouble. Matthias is a very good caretaker, and he's a young boy. Okay, a young man. So, even this water is not fresh. This is the same water I left like 2 days ago. Mr. Pig, Mrs. Pig, and your piglets. You need food. So let me record it for my uncle if he's gonna be. Oh yeah. What do you eat? Can I bring you something that you can eat, Mr. Pig? I don't know. Maybe banana shrubs? Do you eat banana shrubs? How skinny. You see, he is so skinny. Anakaa kama wembe. Kaija karwembembe. We are Meru, of course. We have Mira. There's Mira. Behind the fence right there. So I want to maybe do some washing. Just one jumper. I don't wash clothes. Just one jumper and one top. Well, this nguruwe is very tiny, very skinny. So I'm washing one jumper, one top. Maybe visit our neighbor, but I don't have any money. I don't like going to, when you visit people in the rural area, they always expect you to bring something. So I don't want to go empty-handed. So what I will do is not go until I come back. I'll not go to visit my late grandmother's friend. So guys, listen to that. In one of the vlogs I told you about the bird that sings in the morning. Coo coo coo. You hear? I don't know whether you can hear it. And then there's another one. It's like cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. There too. Tangu nizaliwa na sasa mimi ni mzee, sijaiona nguruwe mkonda. Joan, I have never seen such a skinny pig. This is the first one. Sijui mbona huwa hapewi chakula. Niliuliza nikaambiwa kuna chakula huwa ananunuliwa. Alafu hiyo chakula kimeisha. Lakini kama mimi nakata haya and I feed them and they eat. Hii sijui kama tungoje. Tangu nizaliwa mimi sijaiona nguruwe mkonda. Wenye ndio wa kwanza. Hata mwenye anaishi kwa kichaka. Kama juzi nilikuwa Samburu na niliona nguruwe na hakukuwa mkonda, na Samburu ni more or less of a semi-desert. Very dry. You hear how happy you hear them. They're very happy. Unasikia. Look. They're very happy that I'm getting them leaves. Huyu ndo sijapea. Huyu hata ako karibu kufa huyu. Even the eyes are black nini. Nipee huyu. Wewe si umekula na msichana wako. You're too skinny by the way. Acha niletee ingine. Kama wanakula hizi, mimi sioni haja ya kuambiwa chakula kikija ndio nguruwe atakula. Do not die. Hata hii maji hajabadilishiwa. Unaona maji yenyewe hata si maji. Inakaa uji sasa. So these pigs are suffering. That guy over there just made noise. So mtu akikwambia umeona kama rototank, this is what they mean. This is sugar cane. It's not even close to being ripe. Me and my toothbrush. My phone has started acting up today very early. I want to show you this. Look at how big these oranges are. But they're not even yet ready yet. So we have like maybe another 1 month and a half until they can be harvested. Also these plants down here, this is some, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a traditional vegetable that is eaten in Nairobi. I don't know whether they're fruits. I've never seen their fruits. This is the first time I'm seeing their fruits. I don't know whether their fruits are eaten. And then this other one is a different one, but it's also eaten. Yeah, this one I don't remember what it's called. It's called in either Kiswahili or English. But you guys know it. I can see the small boys here coming to look for me. I don't want to go. Their mother is noisy. And I don't do well with noise. I like happy noise. This is sugar cane. None of them are ready for harvest or to be eaten. I think that one is close to be ready, but not now. This one is closer. This one is closer. See? Sugarcane is actually planted where there is a source of water. That is why. Sugarcane is always planted close to water. Yeah. You see, the boys are here. They follow me around. Mnaenda wapi? Mnatoka wapi? Mnaenda wapi? Munakuja kusumbua Matayo? Hii asubuhi yote. Nani amenunua mkate?
Ni usiku. Ni mama alikuja na nayo.
Na nayo. Ameacha kelele? Mimi nimetoka huko juu ya kelele. Matayo. Huko kumetulia. Nimetoka huko juu ya kelele. This is a pawpaw plant. Doesn't have any pawpaw. You see? There's usually two types of pawpaw plants. There is this one, which is the female pawpaw plant, and then there is that another one that has, like, it has strings. So they usually say it's the male one. So I don't know whether how factual those are. That information is. So I don't know who this plant is. These are mushrooms. Oops. Oh. Sorry. I didn't know that you can get damaged like that. Yeah. So let me go and eat my breakfast. You see, the noise was just to wake people up. Naona kumenyamaza? Huh? After I left, it's now quiet. You hear? It's completely quiet. So what was the point? So what was the point of waking people up at 6:30 in the morning with all that noise? Nasai kumenyamaza as I'm going to take my breakfast. Kinaonyesha huko ni kwako? Takuonyesha ni kwako. Sitaguza chochote. Si ni nyumba ni yako. Welcome to National Geographic, day 11. What did we have here? We have caught a caterpillar. We're gonna have it for brunch. That is breakfast and lunch. That is what we're gonna have for breakfast. A caterpillar. So guys, I've gone up that mountain, that hill. I'm going up like this, and I'm hurrying up because I don't want my auntie and my uncle to catch up with me. I know they're behind me. I don't want them to catch up with me because I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. Yes. Sawa, wacha nionyeshe sura yangu leo. Day 11 of National Geographic. Let me just wipe. Let's see. I'm listening to hear whether I can hear a motorbike. If it's a motorbike, then it's my uncle. If it's a motorbike, then it's my uncle, and I need to run faster. There are a lot of butterflies. I want to show you, but I'm actually running away from home because I have had it. I have had it. I love my uncle, but I've had it with the shago. I've had it with the shago. Things that make me tired in shag. This is like a mountain. It's a hill, and I didn't show you guys where our avocados are. I'm running away. I'm going back to Nairobi. They're asking me. My mom is telling me to stay one more day because the court case is tomorrow. Will I even stay? Sioni. Mimi nishaamua. There are no benefits of being here. Just me spending and spending and spending with ungrateful bastards. If I knew this is how it's gonna be, anything that I ever gave to anyone the first day I arrived, I would have saved it for myself. But it is what it is. Ungrateful bastards. Woo-wee. Yeah, that is how far. That is how far I have to go. I'm rushing so that there is no motorbike behind me. If there's a motorbike behind me, then that's, I don't know. I think I can hear one. I don't know. Let me rush. If there is, then that is my uncle. Hey, it will be embarrassing. Me carrying my stuff and my bag. I'm wearing my auntie's jacket and running away from my own auntie. It would be embarrassing. So let me go. Rush. Running away from home. Running away from home. Running away from home. Well, bye. Finally to the bike. I arrived at the bus station. About 2 hours ago. It's now headed to 1 p.m. and I'm still here. So much for escaping. Yeah. It's 1:22 and we are just leaving. Time for the elevator. 1:22. Sausage. Okay. Kwa barabara. Kwa vendors. Okay. It looks as if it's gonna rain. So let's see how the weather starts. here in Mwea stopover, Kirinyaga County. The atmosphere of Mwea in Kirinyaga County is always smelling like pure pishori rice. Yani inanuka kama mchele. It's always smelling like rice. That's just about it about my tour of that region. Let's go back to Nairobi as I go back to the gym to level up. Will I make it or not? Stay tuned.